Hi. I'm gonna be singing a video, and it's by Rebecca Black, and it's called Friday. Here you go. Waking up in the morning, gotta get fresh, gotta go downstairs. Banging on my phone, gotta have cereal. Saying everything, the time is going, ticking on and on, everybody's rushing. Gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus. I see my friends kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up, which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday.
Driving, cruising, fast lane, switching lanes with a car on my side. Passing by is a school bus in front of me. Next time, TikTok on the screen. My time is Friday, it's a weekend. We gonna have fun. Come on, y'all. Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to
So yeah, that was my video, and you know, like, you should totally like at the bottom or comment, and well, I'll talk to you later. Please check out my videos. I think it'd be really cool, and I like that. Bye. Love y'all.